After 7 long years, the Bronx River Art Center is back home at its original location right here at 1087 East Tremont Avenue. Today, they kick things off with an art workshop open to the community. It's the perfect welcoming as the Bronx River Art Center has been restored after what was supposed to be an 18-month renovation project. Yet after waiting 7 years, the staff is just happy to have a place called home again. The 4-story building will be a place for workshops, artists, events, and a co-working space.
I'm elated. I think that's the only word, is elated. We're so excited. It's been a long road. It's tiring. We're still moving in, as you can see. But this is amazing. This building is amazing. Amazing place for art. Beautiful light. Beautiful space.
Parents were also excited as they brought their children in for the free art workshop, which was being led by legendary muralist E Tremont Ave.
To me, art is a little bit of everything. It's creation, it's inspiration, it's hope. Today, we're not going to be going all that deep into it. I think just probably making some pretty pictures and assessing everybody's level and figuring out where we're at, and just letting kids realize that they can be artists, they can express themselves through art, and they don't need any formal training, and they can start from any point and move forward.
I thought it was important to bring Solomon here because I feel that art is one of the primary formats for our children to begin to journey what it is to be creative.
Her teacher told me about this program. I had no idea it was even over here, so I called. I've been emailing the lady since before they reopened this center, and we decided to just come and check it out.
Saturday workshops will be going on till June 9th. For more information on times, you can log on to bronxriverart.org. For Bronxnet, I'm Veronica Greety.